From that point onwards. So the third command staff, based on the stuff that we carry, very, very nice. It's not too difficult to actually get 6 people in there. It's great comfort. But of course, a very, very silhouette. The next side down from the Sherman and the M3 that you'll see a few moments ago. It's typically not designed to flash coverage from a fence at all. Primarily there, total medium heavy howitzers in the position. Very good turn of speed. Now this one's actually got this Brazil Army marking still present. It was actually used after the war there. It's quite an original vehicle, this one. Really nice to see in this condition. You can see that it's rather 50 caliber Browning. So 100 year service period. That's pretty impressive to say the least. But these high-speed tractors, capable of a very good turn of speed, able to deliver a howitzer across particularly challenging terrain very, very quickly. And of course, carry a decent stockpile of ammunition. With a much larger long-term 155 howitzer. Well, the opposite 7, mate. That's all that selected infrared gear. So Mike absolutely getting through that motor group.
For their own artillery gun. Similar to what you've seen this weekend, very similar slightly to our own Lloyd Harrier, although it can pull a more heavier gun. But the reason why, so it's always better to have that going away from us than coming all over us. Over the last couple of weeks down to a show site, and it was the only thing that we had to pull off